up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. It is a zesty day. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. This is the final Daily Zest of the week. So let's make it count. It's really great to see everybody in the chat. Again, if you are here, make sure to smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people will know what's going on with the banks, what's going on with crypto, what's going on with the meme coins. Everything you need to know is right here, my friends. I got you. Again, I also want to thank our lovely sponsor, Market Cipher. Make sure to check out Market Cipher. Link is in the live chat and in the description. Use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off. This is probably the highest discount code that they have. And of course, the Zesty fam has the access. So make sure you guys check out Market Cipher and leave some love there. I want to say hi to everyone in the chat. We got B-New, S-B-New, nice to see you. We got Ozzy, he wants to start the Zesty token. Oh yes, speaking of the Zesty token, make sure to enter the poll in the chat. We have 23 votes, but only 14 likes. Let's kick that up right now, kiddos. Again, just kidding. Make sure to smash those likes if you can. Let's get to 100 likes and 100 live viewers. All right, we have Ozzy, we have Cozy in the chat that loves MTC wings. Yes, I love wings, man. I think I want to make them again tonight now that you're saying it. Rusty, what's up? Nice to see you. I know Brian was going off about your medals and stuff. I think that's hilarious. Mr. Strap, thank you for becoming a member on Twitter. It's Mr. Strap officially subscribed to my twitter.com subscription, exclusive content over there. So make sure to check that out. Gary Gensler is in the chat, reunited with Randy, which is what we love to see. Andy is also in the chat. Well, we have Randy's, we have Andy's, we have Gary's, we all probably Harry Gensler might make an appearance today. Who knows? Bullduck is here as well. Alexandra G, thank you for coming and thank you for the well wishes for Sir Randy. B Team Crypto, nice to see you. Meninja, what's up? Kenny O is here as well. Shout out to Kenny O. Kenny O also subscribed on Twitter yesterday. What a real one. Joe Harvey as well. Loving those wings. We all love the wings out here. Pro Trader said shout out from Oregon. Nice to see you. Well, shouts from NYC. You know, the big apples out here. No G, the hype is here. What's up, No? Oh my gosh. No is always so hype. Bad Boy is here. Dad Bod Baboon. Nice to see you. Crypto Outcast as well. Geek of all trades. Mike is shilling another meme token. Oh my gosh. And I think I got everyone. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate it. Make sure to, again, to smash these likes, enter that poll. We're going to get after it. We're going to talk about the news. We're going to talk about every single thing going on. I cannot believe what's going on with these likes right now. We have over 30 people, but only 20 likes. What's going on, guys? Pat Murphy, nice to see you as well. Crypto Experiences by St. Jerome. Flo Rida. Are we talking about Flo Rida in the chat? I saw some AI Flo Rida music. It was actually pretty crazy. We're gonna get into the stream. We're gonna get into the news. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I'm gonna respect your time, like Bitcoin respects your time and respects your value. I want to do the same. I want to honor you people. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin and crypto markets right now. We have Bitcoin right now at $27,209 today, down 1.5%. We are just lingering, my friends. What is happening? We could look at the daily candle, but actually let's look at Market Cipher first, because Market Cipher is telling us we're building up with the momentum here, waiting for that VWAP. The VWAP seems to be sliding up to that zero line, but not confidently making any moves. Again, we want to see a confident VWAP right above that zero line. Maybe this weekend we could have a little green weekend, but I know the weekends and even Monday is always slow for trading and it goes a little haywire at times. But again, VWAP, yellow wave, we want to see that above the zero line. We have some green money flow building up here as well for Bitcoin, which we wanted to see. It was like tinkering at the zero line with money flow for a long time between the beginning of May and the end of April. Now, of course, we want more money flow because, of course, more money flow leads to higher prices. Again, we're seeing that, but it's not really correlating to the price as much, the green money flow. We're seeing some actual bearish volume coming in, and it's not like a great amount of volume, but it is bearish volume, which does support our slip for Bitcoin. Now, our range is playing out pretty well here because we start sideways trading between 27,000 and 28,400, starting pretty much on March 17th or more so March 18th. Sideways traded until April 10th. We broke out, hit 30K briefly, came back down on April 20th. We sideways traded for a while, and now we're still kind of in this range. We were above it for a little while last week, but it really didn't last long, unfortunately. Now, yesterday, if you look at this daily candle, I find it so interesting because it was just like right here, where it's almost like a hammer. I don't know if this is considered a hammer, but it looks like one to me. But I think, again, right here, we had this like volatile day with Bitcoin. You know, our low that day was around 27K, 26,980. And our high that day was around almost 28K, 27,998, very close. But overall, the close was barely any move from the day before. So it was just a little bit volatility within the day, but overall, basically nothing happened. We followed that with a pump, and then we had another green candle just like that right there. And then we broke out again. And now we're seeing that type of candle right here where there was barely any movement but by the time the open and the close happened, basically there was no price movement. But of course, intraday, we had a low yesterday of 26,824. This happened right after we went off the stream. So I don't know. I feel like the bulls kind of gave up after the Zesty family was done streaming here. But then we also had a high yesterday of 28,330. I think we ended the stream around 27.2 or 20, I think it was 27.2, something like that we ended the stream with. But overall, this was a little bit of a volatile day. Today, we, of course, opened at 27,620, and we kind of been falling since then and pretty much hitting the bottom of our range of 27K. We're currently, again, at $27,166. I hope we could have a bullish day. If you guys are feeling bullish, if you think we can make this a green day, smash those ones. If you think we're going to continue with the red, drop a 2 in the chat. Please let me know your thoughts. I need to know your thoughts. You all matter, my friends. You all matter. Please, 1 or 2. 1 for green day and 2 for red day. Now, again, I'm looking for that bullish momentum. I'm hoping that we could finish out the week in the green, but I don't know, guys. We literally started off our week basically at the top of our range, and it seems like we're at the bottom of our range, but we still have some time to go. It's only Thursday. We have until Sunday. So we have some time to change this, guys. We have some time to change it. If you are a whale, what are you doing, my friend? What are you doing? What's up, Tim, on TikTok? So this is our weekly on Bitcoin. Market Cipher is telling us that we had a dash of green money flow, but not any longer. With Bitcoin, we're going to go back to the daily, head over to Ethereum. Ethereum took a dippity-doo-doo on us, guys. Down almost 2%, 1.9%. ETH is at $1,806. ETH scared me yesterday, guys. ETH scared me. I was like, what's going on, ETH? You're being used so much. People love you so much. Look at this green money flow. Why are you dipping on us? ETH, what's going on? That's how I felt. I felt very dramatic. Very dramatic. Now, we have the momentum building up here. I'm hoping that we could build up some momentum, make that anchor wave, some trigger wave, some upside action with the Bitcoin. We have a lot of green money flow coming in because, of course, people are still trading Pepe. Even though Pepe took a dip, we could talk about Pepe in a little bit. We could talk about those meme coins. And Ozzy, also, Brian threw it in the chat. Ozzy, if you have a report on the gas fees, that would be great. I know gas fees have been absolutely atrocious, and it's not even a full bull market, guys. Like, it's actually crazy, but I think we are in meme coin season, and people are thinking meme coin season is over, but I don't know about that, guys. I feel like we have a lot of legs to stand on here. I feel like there's a lot of liquidity, and obviously that money flow is supporting that here with Market Cipher showing us how much money flow is coming into Ethereum, because obviously ETH pays the gas fees. Yesterday, you see the kind of the same daily candle here for the past 2 days with Ethereum. Not really much price action going on, but we had a low yesterday of 1,793. Today, we had a low of 1,786. So, and also yesterday, we were almost at 1,900 Ethereum at 1,889. So I think we want to hit $1,900 Ethereum, but again, we were sideways trading here for so long, pretty much since we had Wix visiting this level in March, literally mid-March. It's been a few months since we hit that level. We're waiting for 2K Ethereum again. It would be great to see it. We saw a high of $2,100 Ethereum not too long ago. Kenny was asking me what gas fees can look like in the bull run. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know. What was so wild to me, Kenny, is like, last bull run, I was buying a $10 NFT on OpenSea, and it charged me $130 total because of the gas fees. And it's going to price, exposed. It's going to price a lot of people out, I think, and it's just again, showing that we need better scaling solutions, and that I maybe not a lot of stuff is going to stay on main chain Ethereum for that long. But I do think, of course, it has value, and of course, people look to Ethereum the most because it's probably the better functioning blockchain compared to all the other ones. With the exception of, we can move on to Litecoin. Litecoin is able to scale. Litecoin is actually able to handle all of these things that ETH and Bitcoin can't. It's built for that. So now we have Litecoin here sitting at $80.82, down 0.23%. So not taking as much of a hit as everything else here. We have some green money flows sparking up here. We were talking about this, momentum here just shifting right up and going boom, right through the zero line. That's what we wanted, right? That's what we would love to see. Now, let me get rid of this line so we can see a little more clearly. We're right at the zero line. We're right at the zero line here. With the momentum, but it's just not shifting over, as you guys could see. It's just tinkering right here. So we're going to be on watch out. Now, also, the VWAP kind of popped through, but it wasn't that confident. But we saw a little bit of a run when that happened. A few nice green candles here. Not too much price action happening day to day with Litecoin the past few days. I mean, listen, we dropped from $83 to the 70s a few days ago on the 8th, 3 days ago. We've been trying to recover since, and I hope that we could, again, just hit that $90 mark again. The gas fees aren't too bad today for Ethereum. Ozzy's saying they're like $75, $74. That's not terrible. But again, Litecoin's able to scale and do all of these things, build on Litecoin. I hope more people start doing it. $80.80 Litecoin. Let's make it back to $90 Litecoin. Listen, people are sleeping on Litecoin. This level right here, 65, slept on. People slept on Litecoin back in June. It was only $40 Litecoin, so we're still 2x from there, which is good. I'm still happy about that. Can't be greedy. And we were sideways trading between basically $90 and $100, $102 for a while, but we couldn't maintain it for some reason, unfortunately. I do think, again, Litecoin being named a commodity by the CFTC, obviously the most transactions, the record-breaking transactions for Litecoin occurred on Monday. So people are seeing that we need a cheaper and a faster alternative to Bitcoin and to Ethereum. And obviously, this is where Litecoin comes in. There's sound money, OmniLite, MWeb, fungibility, all that good stuff. I shared this a lot. I rant about it a lot. And what else is merge mine with Litecoin? We have Doge, and Doge is tinkering at the low 7-cent range, almost at 7-cent flat. Not too much price action happening with Doge, but there still is green money flow according to the daily. We're building up some momentum here. Ooh, there's a low fly. And I do think that maybe we could revisit 8 cents at one point or another, but there's not too much crazy volume coming in for Dogecoin, unfortunately. Not a lot of momentum in terms of bulls buying and everything like that. All we need is a tweet from Elon, right? But speaking of Elon has been going off a little bit concerning NFTs. He posted a Milady NFT, and if you guys did not see that, I will fill you in right now. But before I fill you in, please smash these likes, my friends. I see we have 51 votes in the poll, but only 30 likes. So make sure we smash these likes, share the stream out with friends, and get after it. We have Elon Musk. He tweeted, "There is no meme. I love you." And what is this? It is a Milady NFT. Following this tweet, we had a surge. It went from, I believe, 0.3 or 0.03 floor to now almost a 5 ETH floor. 4.83 ETH is what these are worth now. We could look at the analytics and look at the volume and the price. The floor price absolutely rising. The volume is around 2,100 ETH, up 224%. We saw a spike in sales. There we go. There were literally, wow, that's insane. Around 1,400 sales yesterday. Chris, thank you for the corgi. I appreciate it. And we did see the price surge from 3.8 ETH up to 6.9 ETH. And it seems like we are retracing midway at almost 5 ETH floor price. So, of course, a lot of people are trading these now. Why wouldn't you? Because Elon Musk tweeted it. He's just a Milady, I say. So there we go. Maybe he's going to tweet about something else next. We know he tweets about Floki. Floki is the Twitter CEO. Doge, Elon tweets about a lot. And now Elon is tweeting about Milady NFTs and saying there is no meme, I love you. He just wants to spread love. Elon Musk wants to spread love. Elon Musk is working on a lot. He is trying to tackle AI, the space, the whole astronomy, and he wants to take on free speech, cryptocurrency. He's handling it all. So shouts to Elon Musk. We also have War Player in the chat. What's up? Nice to see ya. Nice to see ya. You got Filecoin. Oh, nice. Cool. MetaMask, buy Litecoin instead of Bitcoin if you want to retire earlier. That's a bold statement, MetaMask. That's a bold statement. Flat Smack is here as well. Uniswap fees. Yeah, all these fees are so high right now. Absolutely atrocious. Vinny, nice to see you. What's up? I didn't, is Joe Network Bits here? I think I saw him, but I don't know if I'm just like making it up. But if he is here, hello, because I know him and Retro Mike are a little bit of a pair. Anubis is as well as here. Wow, so much love in this chat. Thank you for all of the love. You guys are absolutely amazing. Let's continue on. I think I definitely said hi to Mr. Strap already. All right, let's get after it, guys. We're going to get into some more news. It's going to be a good day today. A lot of good news coming through. Oh, Board Type Crow. $2. Thank you for the $2 super chat. And it says, hey, you on it. Oh my God. It's like, hey, I like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, you're not a pair? Okay. Well, I consider you guys kind of besties, Mike and Joe. I feel like you guys kind of just like are like hand in hand. Grouper, what's up? You said great show, keep it up. Well, thank you for coming. I appreciate you. J0, Musk likes NFTs, then he will like DGB. I mean, I feel like maybe he would, because it's kind of like going along with Doge. I mean, Digibyte and Doge have a relationship of some sort. So I feel like it's pretty interessante. We're going to keep on going, though. We're going to continue with the news. There was something that was so funny yesterday that I just couldn't help it. I had to tell you guys about it. Oh, Board Type Crow. Thank you for the $5 super chat to keep it up with the weights. Hold on. I got you. We are lifting weights. My friends. Thank you for your $5 super chat. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate Board Type Crow. Thank you for the $5 super chat. And I'm working out for all of you today. Friends on TikTok, I'm seeing some likes over there. Thank you for that. Let's go. Woo! Okay, I'm sweating now. Woo! Pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. I don't know if we should go into meme coins first or start laughing at other things. Let's talk about... You know what? I'll save meme coins for later. A happier subject-ish. We're gonna talk... Let's talk about this clip that went absolutely viral yesterday. I don't know if I could, like, hold it in, because this is just something that was absolutely crazy. All right. Ready, my friends. Ready, set, fire. We had a congressman yesterday talking about how crypto bros think money is printing out of thin air. But doesn't the government do the same? Don't they just turn on the money printer and make it go burr? Absolutely they do. Let's play this clip because I think it is super important for all of us to hear the absolute double standard. Oh, Chris, thank you for the $10 super chat. Thank you. You're awesome, Chris. Shouts to Chris. All right. Oh, Olive, you were already triggered. I know. Listen to it, my friends. This is absolutely hilarious.
Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and they've made...
What? Oh, guys, we're getting rugged.
Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and they've made over $1 trillion out of thin air. They'll accuse the U.S. government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the U.S. government. Crypto bros make money.
Wow. Ooh, Yes, bearish on my internet. I don't know what's going on today, guys. I do not know. Let's try to refresh it because it was a good clip. You guys still heard it, but it wasn't as zesty. It just didn't hit. You guys are all Aussie. Don't worry about your typos. We're all human, bro. We are all human. Hopefully this plays. But basically they said crypto bros make over $1 trillion out of thin air. They'll accuse the US government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do. But we're the US government is what he said. And I think that's pretty insane to say. It's pretty zesty to say the least. But yeah, I think it'll play now.
Literally by making money, and they've made over $1 trillion out of thin air. Crypto bros make money literally by making money, and they've made over $1 trillion out of thin air. They'll accuse the U.S. government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the U.S. government. Crypto bros make money literally by making money. And
how wild is that, guys? How wild! Crypto bros make over $1 trillion out of thin air. They'll accuse the U.S. government of making money out of thin air. Maybe we do, but we're the U.S. government. Quote, Brad Sherman. He is a congressman serving California's 32nd district. How is that allowed to be said? That is the quiet part spoken out loud. And it's a complete and utter advertisement for Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? It is money, value, backed by code, backed by people, not one centralized entity that controls how inflation and how the money printer and when the money printer goes burr. With Bitcoin, there's a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin. And you can't just print Bitcoin out of thin air. You have to show proof of work. A computer solving complex math algorithms to form a block on the blockchain using energy. And you get rewarded for that energy and for that work with Bitcoin. There is an inflation schedule. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that gets rewarded to these miners is cut in half. So that way, not all the Bitcoin is out at once. It is governed, again, by the world and not one centralized entity, which gives it value. What is the dollar backed by? Nothing. And when can the money printer go burr? Whenever they want. Because Brad Sherman literally says that the government is making money out of thin air. Whoa. Just absolutely wild, guys. Absolutely wild. Yes, friends on TikTok, I am streaming on YouTube. So if you want to hear clips and audio and all that good stuff, please head over to youtube.com/missteencrypto. What's up, Andrew? Nice to see you. Ninja says illusions. It's pretty wild. It's literally monopoly money. They turn on the printer whenever they want. They print money whenever they want. But you can't do that with Bitcoin. You just can't create Bitcoin out of thin air. That's not how it works. You show proof of work. You show that you use the energy for your computer to solve those complex math algorithms and get rewarded with Bitcoin after mining a block on the blockchain. Proof of work. How is crypto a scam when you actually have to work to get your Bitcoin? When the money printer, when it's controlled by one centralized entity, it just goes burr. There's no control. There's no limit. And who pays the actual price? The everyday people like you and I. Because when the money printer goes burr, our groceries go up. Our cost of living goes up. But not people's wages. People are making the same amount of money. I believe minimum wage has been the same for years. But inflation has gone up. How are people going to survive? That's why you need Bitcoin. You have to opt out of the system. You have to choose a system where you're free of control, where you own your assets, and you have something that respects your time, respects your value. Bitcoin, only 21 million Bitcoin to ever exist. It doesn't get printed out of thin air like Fiat does. You prove your work. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh, I ranted already. I just can't control it. I can't control the rants. It's just the love that pours out of me because I love this space so much. And it's just crazy to see that Bitcoin gets doubted every day when this is going on and it's blatant. They're literally telling you blatantly that we're just printing money out of thin air. Like there's no reason for it. And then Kenio saying say no to CBDCs. You're going to get me started on a whole other thing. CBDCs, this is why they're doing it. Because they want to say, oh, we can escape inflation or you can escape the bank runs if you have the digital dollar. But you won't be able to use your digital dollar the way you want to use it. Every single transaction will be watched. You will be censored. Your money will expire. The Chinese yuan is already doing that. Their CBDC, it could expire. Oh, you got paid $10,000 this month? Well, you have to use it by the end of the month or else it's going nowhere. It's expiring. I'm over it, bro. Peace. We're going to talk about an FTX bankruptcy. We're supposed to be protected. I don't know, friends. Tell me if you feel protected. The U.S. Internal Revenue Service files claims worth $44 billion against FTX bankruptcy. The IRS has filed claims worth nearly $44 billion against the estate of bankrupt crypto exchange FTX and its affiliated entities. According to the bankruptcy filings dated April 27th and 28th, the IRS put out 45 claims against FTX companies, which include West Realm Shires, the legal entity of FTX US, Ledger Holdings, the parent company of Ledger X and Ledger Prime, and Blockfolio, among others. The largest of the claims include a $20.4 billion and a $7.9 billion claim against Alameda Research and two claims totaling $9.5 billion against Alameda Research Holdings, Inc. The claims are filed under classification admin priority, which allows the IRS claims to take precedence over the claims of other creditors in the bankruptcy case. So again, the IRS gets their money first before the debtors, the creditors, and most importantly, the people that have their money on FTX. Bankruptcy documents detailing the $20.4 billion claim against Alameda Research reveals the IRS is claiming around $20 billion in partnership taxes. The remaining amount of claims includes millions of withheld income taxes and payroll taxes. Federal law prevents the IRS from confirming or denying any correspondence with regard to any taxpayer case. FTX's bankruptcy attorney said they have located more than $5 billion in various assets during a hearing in January 2023. And in initial bankruptcy filings, the company said it estimated somewhere between $1 billion and $10 billion in assets overall. That's literally a ridiculous range. These figures have changed as the company's management has located additional funds throughout the last few months. So they recovered more than $5 billion, FTX. Tell me if I'm crazy. Please chat. Tell me if I am crazy to think that we are supposed to be protected with these three-letter agencies. FTX said they recovered more than $5 billion assets in January. Has maybe over $10 billion assets overall, and they are recovering more assets as we speak. Yet, no one that was on FTX US is getting their money, or FTX in general is getting their money back. But the IRS is stepping in now and says that they want $44 billion in filed claims against the estate of FTX and the affiliated entities. I'm scratching my head because aren't we supposed to be protected by these agencies? So why are they taking the money when they should get the money, get the billions that FTX recovered, and give it back to the people? Because these are the people that are supposed to be protected, the little ones. But not even the creditors are going to get the money. Their files and their claims are priority over the creditors and over the debtors and over the little people like you and I. What does this tell us? Do not rely on exchanges like a bank. Use an exchange like an exchange. You exchange your fiat for a cryptocurrency and put it in your wallet. It also teaches you that you cannot rely on maybe these 3-letter agencies because they're taking the money first. Be your own bank. Don't worry about the bank runs. Don't worry about Chapter 11s. And don't worry about having to get your money back. If you own your money, put your crypto in your wallet, have those private keys written down offline, have those copies, and be your own bank. Period. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You guys want me to throw something? Sheesh. Ooh. Well, I threw something, and I think it knocked something over. I'll get that later. But I threw something because I'm angry. Threw something. Hold on, I'll throw something else. Exposed my orange wall. Breaking the matrix. There you go, I threw it. Putting my butt in the wrong ear. Sheesh. Gary Gensler, did I hit Randy in the head? No, he's scared to come in here when I stream. He thinks I'm a little cuckoo. Mars Solo, the spaceship animation showed up at the right time. Yeah, because I'm going to hop on it and go to Mars with Elon Musk and escape all these centralized entities. I'll go party with Doge on Mars. That's it. At least Doge is more decentralized. At least Doge is more real money than fiat, right? It's proof of work. You got to mine Doge to get the Doge. Or you mine the Litecoin and also get Doge as a reward if you're a truly zesty individual. Felipe said, Miss Team for president. Oh, sheesh. Mars Solo. I think Broke Oshi is here. I don't know if I said hi to Broke Oshi. Phobos said, you must be kidding. Oh, sheesh. That was a good one, Phobos. That was a good one. Oh, man, 13. Need to keep some small de-stress balls on your desk. Much easier to throw and enjoyable. That's what I just threw. I'll go get it back. I got it back. This, look, it has a little smiley face on it. It's like a little squishy ball. It's a little squishy stress ball. Listen, I'm going to throw it again. Oh, it returned. It's like a boomerang. How fun is that? Oh, gosh. Guys, I think it's SBF's hair. He's throwing it back to me. Wow. This is amazing. What is the show turned into? We're just throwing stress balls out here. It's hot. I don't know why that fell. Everything's falling. Everything's falling. I'm just creating a mess. Throwing out the CGI window. I did. I broke the fourth wall. West, nice to see you. Ola. Bulldog said, Randy, now we know why you were sick yesterday. Yes, because I'm beating him up. Matt, nice to see you as well. Just Zest, no meme. Okay, I got it. Sean, oh, I don't have a balcony. Maybe one day, but I don't know if I would throw something off a balcony. I'd be scared of. No, that's mean. That's mean, Sean. Can't do that. You got to be safe. You got to be safe. Alexandra G said, so much fun in here. I agree. It is so much fun in here. I really do agree. This is a great chat. I say it all the time. I really do think this is like the top-notch zesty chat. Like 100%. Like, I don't feel this energy anywhere else. And if you guys agree, make sure to smash these likes, guys. We have over 60 people watching. We only have 55 likes, 70 votes in the poll. Like, let's kick it up. Let's kick it up. Also, the link just went in the chat. If you want to follow me and subscribe on the Twitter and get some exclusive stuff, then go check that out. We're going to continue getting into it. The Defense Department explores crypto use cases with blockchain startup Constellation. So as they are saying bad things about crypto, like you guys are just printing money out of thin air, and even though we do the same thing, They're saying they want to use blockchain. Biden's White House might be waging a war on crypto, but that hasn't stopped them from using the blockchain and pushing the boundaries. The Defense Department, or DoD, has finalized a contract with the 60-year-old blockchain startup, a significant step for the industry. Established in 2017, Constellation is a privately backed, founder-led blockchain ecosystem with a keen focus on processing big data. Its infrastructure is pitched to support decentralized data marketplaces and maintain provenance and integrity. The San Francisco-based firm said on Thursday the completion of its Phase 2 DoD contract led to a well-defined, deliverable prototype. The U.S. Air Force UASF has begun contracting Constellation through a DoD partnership in 2019. So again, if you think CBDCs aren't on the agenda, if you think they don't know what to do with blockchain, they're plain stupid, guys, because they've been using it since 2019. The U.S. military eyed Constellation as a way to modernize the cybersecurity end of its systems. The Phase 2 contract continued to research and development to evaluate the commercial potential of the platform, including deal sizes up to $1 million. The idea was to explore whether the blockchain could provide a secure way to effectively and efficiently transfer confidential data across our defense transportation system commercial airlift partners without sacrificing cost or speed, says Christopher from the UASF Senior Cyber Operation Analyst. The third phase, meanwhile, will look at commercialization based on prior phases without any limits to contract duration or value. A Constellation statement said its prototype was defense approved, and the contract proves the core premises of what distributed ledger technology can and will bring going forward. This is from Benjamin, the Constellation Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder. Data is paramount to federal communications, and refining how that data is shared has big potential to impact how information warfare is fought in the modern age. I do think this is important. We're going to need blockchains to transport data, transport value. We knew this was all happening. But Constellation is the architect of what it calls the Hypergraph Transfer Protocol, and it's a tool for Web3 developers to encrypt, authenticate, and handle data across various digital platforms. I've heard of HGTP. It's basically a step up of HTTPS. I think it's a step up from there. And HTTPS, again, is like what you see at the beginning of like your links. So again, it's HGTP is to blockchain what the founders say HTTP is to the internet, the primary channel for efficient data communications between servers and clients. So I've been hearing of HGPT. I think this is is obviously a technology we're going to use, and they have a native token that is going to provide incentives for stakers to join the network and as data validators. And DAG is currently down over 10% to the year date and 90% below its all-time highs. But we are going to see. Obviously, this is not going to be a security. Gary Gensler, Gary in the chat, let me know. Gary Gensler, stop beefing with Jimmy. Don't beef with Jimmy. He's a cool kid. Gary, do you think DAG will be a security even though our own government is using it? But again, they're saying that this is a private network running with HGTP functionality. So again, this is a blockchain that they're using, but they are not public. My single or engaged. I'm not getting engaged. I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Crazy, no. Jimmy said, we're not beefing, just trying to wrangle him back in my pocket. Jimmy, you trying to kidnap Gary out here? Oh my gosh, you guys are so funny. You guys are actually hilarious. But the Defense Department is looking into crypto, guys. Even the Pentagon came out and said that Bitcoin mining could prevent war. Because in the future, there's going to be a time and a place where countries who mine Bitcoin and have the most nodes and have the most power or, I guess, stake in the network will be the most powerful. Period. And now the Department of Defense has been contracting Constellation, a privately backed blockchain ecosystem, since 2019 to work on a well-deliverable prototype for the U.S. Air Force, and they wanted to use it to modernize the cybersecurity of its back-end ecosystem. And this will continue for a long time. They are currently going to enter Phase 3 with the Department of Defense. And again, they want to use blockchain for value, for information transfers. And we knew this was going to happen. And they're using it with Hypergraph Transfer Protocol, which is HGTP, which is the same thing to blockchain as HTTP is to the internet. And it's, again, a channel for people to send and receive data between servers and people. Blockchain is going to take over. Why wouldn't the government use blockchain? It's so efficient. Jay Manlet, you want me to look at Stella. Is there any new Stellar news? Oh gosh, Mike, you're going crazy in here. You guys are crazy. And Vinny, most women can't handle my light. You're amazing, Jimmy. Vinny, I'm sorry. You're amazing, dude. You're funny. Well, we could have some action going on in the States. So now we're talking about the Defense Department using blockchain, and now you might be able to pay your bill with crypto in New York. Take a gander. Fiat-backed stablecoins could be used to post bail in New York under proposed bill. A New York lawmaker has introduced a new bill that would see dollar-pegged stablecoins accepted as a legal form of payment for bail bonds. This is a partisan bill introduced on May 10th by the New York State Democrat Latrice Walker. Details the pre-existing methods of paying bail bonds, including cash, insurance bonds, and credit cards, and seeks to add fiat collateralized stablecoins to the list. The bill seeks to amend the state's current criminal procedure law to include fiat collateralized class of digital assets. It is unclear which major fiat collateralized stablecoins would be included, and this is under review. But we already know that BUSD and Tether are considered commodities under the CFTC, which Gary Gensler probably doesn't like in the chat, but is what's happening. On December 22nd, of course, people posted $250 million to bail for Sam Bankman-Fried, and the new bill comes less than a week after the New York Attorney General Letitia James proposed new regulation that would have the state granted further power over the crypto exchanges. But the introduction of this bill shows a willingness for New York State to accommodate stablecoins in its criminal procedure law. I just think this is a tease, guys. This is just like they're just laughing at us. They're like, ha ha ha! You guys want crypto? You want adoption? Well, here's some fiat-backed stablecoins you could use to bail your friends out of jail. I think that's absolutely hilarious. I think it's just a tease. Web3 me, yes. Bitcoin bail bonds, absolutely. Again, make sure you guys are smashing these likes. What's going on? Like, what? I feel like this is like what's happening, guys? Is everything okay? We need to see these like buttons, we need to see these likes increase ASAP. ASAP. We have 88 votes. But only 65 likes, my friends. Let's pamp it up. We gotta pamp it up. Don't you know, pamp it up. Gotta pamp it up. Wyoming is moving forward with other stuff as well. We're gonna keep going. Wyoming government wants Stablecoin Commission to follow the letter of law. The Wyoming the Stable Token Commission held its first meeting on Monday, Wyoming Public Radio reported, and it's the first state body in the U.S. with the authority to issue stablecoins. Governor Mark Gordon, who's been cautious throughout the process, was present at the meeting, and he asked state officials to confirm what the commission is trying to do, create a digital representation of the U.S. dollar, follows the letter of law. The governor said he was concerned about the federal law, but the legality of a state-issued stablecoin is murky. Quote, "It is quite clear that this is new and different," Gordon said at the meeting. "It's also quite clear that our federal friends may not look as favorably on it as we may like." David Pope, a CPA and co-founder of the Wyoming Blockchain Coalition, thanked the governor, the state treasurer, Curtis E. Mayer, and the state auditor, Krusty Racines, for their work on this front. Quote, "This is one that Wyoming has to get right," Pope tweeted. The commission was created in March, and with the litany of recent moves signaling for its support of digital asset adoption, Wyoming is seen as one of the most crypto-friendly states. Because again, they were helping out Custodia Bank, Caitlin Long, because they were trying to help them get approved with the Federal Reserve. And the commission was said to be packed with a room full of cryptocurrency industry representatives. And we couldn't they didn't verify any of those individuals, but hopefully that was true. But I think this is really great. I think Wyoming is sticking up for our rights. So let's get after it. Props to Wyoming protecting us out here. We love Wyoming. I've never been to Wyoming. I think like we should go on a crypto trip to Wyoming. Let's go on the exchange train for a little while. There was some drama. Some drama with the exchanges. Drama. Ooh. Wait. Alexandra G said 100 likes equals gift box emoji. What does this mean? And you guys are just putting MTC over all of these TV networks? You guys are crazy. We have George in the chat, Dave P as well. I think I said hi to everybody in the chat. If I didn't say hi to you yet, you better say hi to me, so I make sure I say hi to you. I think MTV is cool. I think that, you know what, Jimmy? I think MTV is cool. I think they had a few good series like over the past 10 years. Like not anything that like there were like some good scripted series that they had. Oh, Chris, hello. Hi, Chris. Imagine MTC News. Oh, sheesh, that would be so spicy. Hi, John. Nice to see ya. We're going to talk about exchanges for a little while. I know I ranted about FTX like before, so that was a whole rant. But make sure you guys are smashing these likes. We're going to talk about BlockFi. BlockFi customers can be repaid $300 million held in custodial accounts, a judge says. So again, be your own bank, or else you don't have to deal with this stuff. But I hope you guys actually get your monies back. BlockFi custodial wallets users can be returned nearly $300 million as a New Jersey judge ruled on Thursday, May 11th, that assets sitting in the wallets belong to clients rather than the estate of the bankrupt crypto lender. Bankruptcy Judge Michael Kaplan ruled against repaying the further $375 million in funds that clients tried to withdraw from BlockFi's interest-bearing accounts, known as BIA, after the company froze funds last year as ripples from the collapse of FTX spread throughout the ecosystem. The court finds that all digital assets held by the debtors in custodial omnibus wallets are indeed client property and not property of the bankruptcy estate, subject, of course, to possible avoidance and clawback rights, Kaplan said, but had less happy news for BIA customers. No transfer requests by customers between the BIA and custodial wallet accounts initiated after 8:15 p.m. on November 10th were completed, unfortunately. Kaplan said despite the crypto company's user front end appearing to confirm they had successfully shifted funds. BIA account holders deposited their assets into these accounts with the full knowledge that they were undertaking certain risk in exchange for the chance of greater returns. Sorry about that. He said, but again, custodial wallet holders did not share this risk or return and should not have their ownership of non-estate property diluted by those who take on such risks. So if you were staking on BlockFi, you're beat. But if you weren't and you were just using their custodial wallet, then maybe you could get some money back. Under bankruptcy laws, funds which are deemed to belong to customers can be returned immediately rather than being divided up among creditors of the company's estate. Wow, so customers might get their money back? Isn't that crazy? In this case, reimbursement was held up by a dispute over funds held in BIA, which customers tried to liquidate after November 10th, but BlockFi paused transfers and November 18th made corresponding changes in the apps. They said it's not fair to be able to ignore the plain language of terms of service that promises transactions will happen instantly, adding that BlockFi was effectively trying to discriminate in treatment among customers who were all in the same situation. Michael B. Slade, representing BlockFi, said that there was no sale of the assets have been completed, even though those clients have received email confirmations that it had. So again, a lot of fibs going on here. Be able to keep calm, hodl on, and be your own bank, or else you don't have to deal with all this stuff. I do hope that if you guys have money in BlockFi, that you do get it out. When MTC NFT, I've been minting NFT since November 2020 on the Wax blockchain. I also have a 20th birthday NFT on OpenSea. Ozzy, yes, I agree. Way too many fibs. Geronimo said, sup, chat. Is that you in the NFT Elon tweeted? Should I pull it back up? I should get that NFT. I should get that tweet back. Hold on. I'll get it. You think I don't think it looks like me, the Miladies. I think it's like, you know, like a little sad face. Hold on. Let me get it. Doop 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 doop. Doopity doop. Wow. Bearish on how slow my computer is today. Oh my gosh. Here it is. There it is. It's a little Milady. It's a Milady. Do you guys think I look like a Milady? I feel like they're like the little Miladies. We're going to continue on our way, my friends. We're going to continue on our way. Robinhood is I feel like they're trying to compete with crypto a little bit. What's one of the best things about crypto? That you could trade, send and receive value 24/7, 365. Take a look at this, my friends. Robinhood is now looking to make a 24-hour market. The only U.S. retail brokerage to offer 24/5 trading of a single name stock. So they said the world never stops. So why should investing be any different? Today we are announcing Robinhood 24-hour market, which offers people unprecedented flexibility and access to the markets. Using 24-hour market, people can place limit orders to buy whole shares of 43 most traded ETFs and individual stocks like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Not 7, but 5. 24-hour markets let customers invest when they want on their schedule. Trading hours will run from 8 p.m. on Sunday to 8 p.m. on Friday. They said, we relentlessly focus on building products tailored to fit people's lives, and we make investing more accessible to everyone, not just a select few. All right. Again, all of TradFi, the banks, payment processors, and even brokers are trying to compete with cryptocurrency. Robinhood introducing a new service, 24-hour market, so you could trade 24/5. So again, that's only Sunday through Friday, 8 p.m. on Sunday to 8 p.m. Eastern on Fridays. They want to do only 43 of the most traded ETFs and individual stocks like big names like Tesla, Amazon, and Apple because they want to give people more accessibility to the markets depending on their schedule. But that is not good enough, my friends, because what is 24/7 and 365? Send and receive, transact value, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. The markets, they know. The traditional markets, they know that people want to be their own bank. They want to hold their value and be in control of trading and not have to worry about stocks being halted and closures of the market. That is why Robinhood's trying to compete with crypto. But you can't. You can't. But it's a nice try. I respect them. I respect Robinhood for making the move. People are expecting Robinhood to list Pepe. Pepe is getting listings, my friend. But there was one exchange that caused a little bit of a ripple throughout the meme coin community. Sent some sparks flying. Pepe fans are saying #delete Coinbase after the hateful newsletter that Coinbase sent out. Take a gander. Supporters of a meme coin Pepe are taking to Twitter once again. They say delete Coinbase. The crypto exchange recently sent out a newsletter labeling Pepe the Frog, which Pepe invokes a hate symbol co-opted by far-right groups. This is a hit on Pepe. Pepe friends, if you are a member especially, you better be throwing those Pepe coins in the chat right now. Or put a green heart, anything green to represent Pepe. And smash these likes too. Only 81 likes. What is going on, guys? What is going on? With over 70,000 tweets containing the #delete Coinbase, it is safe to say that the newsletter sparked not just a conversation, but a revolt. In the email, Coinbase cited the Anti-Defamation League's view on Pepe as an internet symbol. Quote, the Pepe token is based on Pepe the Frog meme, which first surfaced on the internet maybe 20 years ago as a comic strip character. Over time, it has been co-opted as a hate symbol by alt-right groups. According to the Anti-Defamation League, Coinbase wrote, this is FUD for a little Pepe. Twitter users were quick to point out Coinbase wasn't necessarily representing the entirety of the ADL's views on the Pepe the Frog meme. Jason Klein, a creator on Instagram and TikTok, retweeted a screenshot of ADL's blog post on Pepe the Frog, where the organization is quoting saying the majority of uses of Pepe the Frog have been and continue to be non-bigoted. So everything is okay with Pepe. There were a fair number of users who weren't just saying delete Coinbase, but upped the ante by claiming they'd close their accounts. Hashtag delete Coinbase trended in 2019 when they acquired Italy-based analytics group. And executives of the company said they were involved in the controversial surveillance of unit hacking team, which sold intrusion and surveillance capabilities to oppressive governments. Coinbase later fired those team members, but they made waves in 2020 when Brian Armstrong urged the staff to adopt a corporate policy of political neutrality to avoid discussing social justice issues in the office. But yet they brought it up again with Pepe. People were freaking out. They were like, what's going on? This broke the tweeter, poor little froggy. You see the froggy? You see the despair in his eyes? You guys see the despair? Pepe just wants to do good. He just wants to be a little frog sharing love and positivity. Coinbase's chief legal officer, Paul, he did make a comment today, my friends. He said, we screwed up and we're sorry. Yesterday, we shared an overview of Pepe meme coin to provide a fact-based picture of a trending topic. This did not provide the whole picture of the history of the meme, and we apologize to the community. This was right before we went live, literally 10 minutes before we went live, and I'm happy I caught it because Coinbase is upset. They said, we're sorry. Now, Pepe took a little bit of a dip. It's down 15%. The Milady meme coin is up 3,300%, which I think is pretty wild. So let's get the Pepe chart out here. We need to see what's going on with the Pepe. Poor Pepe. Smash these likes, friends. We almost have 90 likes. We want 100 likes out here. Automatic beats. You like Turbo? Is that another Pepe coin type? King Peasant is here as well, dropping those emojis. Hold on. Let's go to Pepe out here on Dex Tools. All right. Dex Tools. Past 24 hours, Pepe's down 16%, my friends. Wow, how crazy is this? We were so on point with our range. Ooh, how spicy. All right, friends, we had a little bit of a range here going on with Pepe. Wow, I like this full screen. Go off, Dex Tools, killing it. Anyway, we had Pepe trading in between this range. We broke out dramatically, and then we retraced literally right down to that point, guys. Literally, we're just the past 8 hours. 4 hours before, and now this new 4-hour candle is currently in the green. I hope we could break out above this range, but oh sheesh. We have revisited it. And we haven't seen this level since the 4th. So a week ago, we saw this level, we went boom, had dramatic highs, and then we slid back down. And this is because the past day or two is because of the Coinbase FUD. The Coinbase FUD driving us all cuckoos. But again, we're revisiting this on the day. Almost exactly, we're at that level right now. That is pretty wild. And we need to see a resurgence of volume with Pepe. I mean, we haven't seen, volume since, right here. We need this back. What is going on, Pepe whales? What is going on? This could be Coinbase trying to buy some cheap Pepe, flooding the market, buying some cheap Pepe, and then listing it because Gemini listed Pepe, Binance listed Pepe, everyone and their mother is listing Pepe. So there's a lot going on. And you guys are not you guys want Zesty coin more than Pepe, Ben, or Mong. Wow, you guys are crazy. We have 90 likes. Let's get 100, guys. We could get it, guys. I want 100 likes. I don't know. We need 100 likes. Brandon said Coinbase has a decent non-custodial wallet, actually. I haven't used Coinbase wallet, but I rather just separate myself, just get something completely different. Pepe's overrated, Mike. You really feel so? How so? King Peasant just highlights the fragile nature of people. Triggered by a frog. Give me a break. Yeah, man. Listen, I don't know why people are upset about the frog. I mean, listen, the frog is just trying to do it's just trying to live. It's just out here. Look at little Pepe as you guys are smashing those likes. We only have 6 more likes until 100. We need those likes. Look at little Pepe. He said, let's make memes great again. I want to see a bigger picture. Why can't I click on this profile picture? Let's go on CoinGecko. I want a picture of the Pepe. I want a picture of the Pepe. We need to really look at him in the eyes. 5 more likes, my friends. Oh, I have to verify I'm a human. Look at little Pepe. Look at little Pepe. You think this dude means any harm? He's just trying to chill. He just wants to hang out, little Pepe. He's not trying to hurt you. He's just trying to meme. That's it. You guys are talking about Turbo. I gotta take a gander now. You guys are making me like really curious. Hold on. Turbo. Is this the one you're talking about, friends? It's down 36% today. Let's pull this up. How long has it been around? Not too long. It's been around for 10 days. I mean, if you were serious about it, it's almost at its point before the big pump it had here. Interesting. Not a lot of volume coming in. What about I'm seeing a lot of sell orders right now. A lot of sell orders. You guys need to pamp this up if you want your Turbo. Wow. What's going on with Turbo? I mean, it's holding pretty steady, but it hasn't had Turbo hasn't had that crazy pump yet, I guess. It has 18,000, almost 17,500 holders. Market cap is 54.5 million. Wow. Wow. The Pepe fatigue. I feel like this is a little bit of Pepe fatigue. Listen, there's a lot of, if you guys look on Dex tools, this is stupid. What's going on here? 66,000%. Garfield, Ross, 20,000%. Mario, Mario and Luigi, 15,000%. This is ridiculous what's going on here. Guys, we have 4 more likes until we hit 100. I want 100 likes. Let's hit it. Wow, someone unliked? Oh, that's so messed up. Smash those likes. We need 5 more. 5 more. 5 more. 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. You're a Mario whole coiner. Well, I would hope you could be a whole coiner. You don't even need a penny. You could just put a penny in there and you could be a whole coiner, multiple coiner. 1 more like for 100, my friends. Oh my gosh. Someone unliked again. 99 again. Let's hit 100. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. I'm watching. Yay, we hit 100 finally. Yay, thank you guys. I appreciate it. I know I'm pestering you guys a little bit, but it's all for good fun. The more we interact with the stream, it helps. If you like, you comment, you subscribe, that helps. Alexandra G, you came through. Gifting 10 memberships. Guys, press that allow gift button so you guys could claim those memberships. And if you are zesty individuals, you get those memberships, make sure to spam those membership emojis. Show them off. Thank you, Alexandra G. You're so amazing. So amazing. And I know, Nyan is actually number 1. And I know that's what Ozzy was talking about. Ozzy was talking about Nyan coin. I saw in the chat up 320%. So I guess you're doing good. I guess you guys are doing good. Wow. That is a pimp. Yay, Chris became a member. All these people are becoming members. Ozzy, hang on to you. Got a free membership. You already got your membership. You're a zesty friend. You're a zesty friend. Yeah, you came through, but also the viewers came through as well. You are right, Alexandra. But you're awesome. So all the way around. CMC, welcome to the show. But yeah, look at this. Is a pretty good gain. I mean, listen, this was in the past 5-6 hours that this happened. This is ridiculous, this pump. How much did this go up in that one pump? Wow, went up. That was the whole 300% was just in this one pump. That's very interesting. Wow. A lot of buy orders coming through. So Nyan. And I don't think this has anything to do with the guy that originally made this art. I feel like he tweeted something about it. But again, listen, you're just having fun. Yes, you are. You are. Jojo is a member. All your friends are members. Bad Boy's a member now. Who else became a member? Automatic Beats became a member. That is beautiful. Andrew Cameron is a member now. Let's go. Let's go. And yes, Gary, we are ratioing because that's what we do on this channel. We ratio because this community is unlike any other. Retro Mike, what do you mean? You're already a member. You have your gift. You are a member. You're a zesty individual. You already are a zesty individual. And speaking of zesty and being zesty, if you have not, ooh, my computer just did a little boop. If you guys have not, definitely check out my Twitter. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you do that. Let me get the link to my Twitter. My computer's so slow right now. Like, what is going on, dude? But again, if you guys want to check out the new Twitter subscriptions, it is absolutely so much fun. And I put up daily updates there. And Retro Mike, you want to be a double member, you can also member on Twitter. We currently have a nice, cool squad over there. Mr. Strap is a new subscriber. David from yesterday, Kenny O is a subscriber. I said Kenny O. And then we also have Alexandra G and Matt as well. So shout out to you guys for being members. Make sure to check out, again, on Twitter. I know people got confused. They were like, oh, when I say subscribe, that you meant follow. Definitely follow on the Twitter. Would definitely accept that as well. But definitely check out the subscriptions as well. Super cool feature. And I love what Elon Musk is doing, just empowering content creators. So check it out. And if you do, I will shout you out tomorrow. Why can't you like the Twitter post, Dad Bod Baboon? What's going on? You said you can't even like my Twitter posts. What's going on with my tweeters? Is it broken? Is Twitter broken? I remember the first time, like, I enabled subscriptions and I shared it with you guys. You guys weren't able to subscribe, but you should be able to do it now. Dad Bod Baboon said you're suspended. Oh, Dad Bod Baboon. Starting trouble over there on the tweeters? No, I'm just kidding. You're all good. Don't worry about it. Dave Digital, what's up? Nice to see you. Again, make sure you check out those Twitter subscriptions. They are pretty awesome, but you guys are awesome. And I appreciate you guys getting us over to 100 likes. And we're going to keep smashing this goal every single day. And I hope you guys have a great weekend because, listen, this is a revolution we're going through. It's not going to be easy. We all know that. Revolutions aren't easy. You just got to grind. You got to get through it. And we will prosper. We are prospering already. Listen, banks are going down. If you look at all of these banks, you could look at these stocks. They are crashing. They're going down in a milli around. Sugar, we're going down swinging. Look at this, my friends. This is a bank stock. PacWest, you're supposed to hold your value here. Oh, sheesh, no. 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 All right. Well, I think I'm getting rugged. Anyways, you see, if you guys, I don't know if you guys could still see, but PacWest absolutely getting wrecked here. Literally $4 a share. It is pretty wild what's going on. And I hope, I really do, that ooh, what's happening? Can you guys see anything? All right, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to close this out because we are glitching. Hold on. I think I could bring myself back up, but I'm not sure. Let me see. I think I could bring myself back up. If not, it is what it is. Okay. Well, I guess this is working somewhat. All right, this is good enough for me. Guys, again, make sure you guys smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends. Make sure... Oh, wait, we are kind of working here. That's good. That is good. All right, so I could show you PacWest then. All right, yeah, I could show you what I was talking about. Okay, listen, guys. We had PacWest absolutely dippity-doo. Oh, I guess it's not working. RIP. MTC, the engineer, fixes everything. No, unfortunately, I did not fix it. I can't share my screen, but PacWest is still crashing. It's down 24% today. 24%. It's $4.62 a share. Friends, the banks are going down. The banks are struggling. I know I wish I could share my screen, but it's just not working. I do think, again, we're going to see the continue of the banks going down. Over 722 banks lost over 50% of their capital. This is not going away. This bank problem is not going away. It is continuing. Why? Because the money printer keeps going burr. Because the traditional financial system is not changing. There's no new things being created, no new laws. What is new? Where can we take our money? Where can we take our power? That is crypto. Decentralize yourself from the financial system. Exactly. I show the banks and it goes blank. Guys, we are being shadow banned. The money printer is going burr, and we can't control it. We can't control anything, friends. The only thing we can control is our Bitcoin. The only thing we can control is when we spend our Bitcoin and when we receive our Bitcoin, even though someone could send you Bitcoin and you don't even have to worry about it. But be your own bank. That is what we are here for. We are not here to dilly-dally. We are here to be a part of a free market where we are holding our value with 21 million Bitcoin to ever exist, an inflation schedule that is controlled, a halving every 4 years. The money printer they choose when it goes burr, they make money out of thin air. Bitcoin, you have to show proof of work. And this is all going to lead up into the CBDCs. Don't do it. We are educated here. We know that we want to be our own bank, that we want to be in control of our assets, and we will not sacrifice our freedom for convenience. Not ever. Guys, be your own bank. Do your own research. Keep calm. Hodl on. Eat a cookie. Smash these likes, subscribe, share this stream out with friends, and comment how you feel about proof of work, how you feel about Zesty Token, because you guys obviously seem to like it. Have a great weekend. A happy Thursday. Stay zesty. Peace.